In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the demo company in Xero. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the demo environment so you can explore features, practice workflows, and build confidence without touching any of your live business data. Once you're in Xero, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, which typically shows your name, your initials, or your avatar. Click that to open the account menu. This menu is your central hub for personal settings and organization options, and it's also where Xero places the shortcut to the demo environment. If you don't immediately notice it, don't worry. Just scan the dropdown carefully. It's usually labeled clearly so you can spot it quickly. Next, select Demo Company from that menu. Xero will load a separate organization filled with realistic sample data, including contacts, invoices, bills, bank accounts, and more. This is a safe, self-contained space designed for learning and testing. You can create and edit transactions, try out reporting, and navigate through features as if you were working in a real file, but none of your actions here will affect your actual organization. When the demo opens, you'll typically see clear indicators that you're in a demo environment, such as a banner or an organization name that identifies it as a demo. That's your visual cue that you're working in a sandbox. It's perfect for experimenting with tasks like reconciling sample bank transactions, creating draft invoices, or exploring payroll and inventory, depending on what's available in your region and plan, without worrying about making a mistake. A couple of helpful notes for context. The demo company is intended to mirror common business scenarios, so you'll find a variety of sample records that make reports and dashboards meaningful right away. The experience can vary slightly by region, and some features or add-ons may look a bit different from your own setup, but the core navigation and tools are consistent. If you don't see the demo company option in your menu, it can be due to permissions or product availability in your account. In many cases, visibility is tied to your role and what's enabled in your Xero subscription, and that's it. To access the demo company in Xero, open your profile menu at the top right, then choose Demo Company. From there, feel free to explore, practice, and get comfortable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy learning in a risk-free environment.